If you want to elevate your swimming or bathing experience, you have to try these lights. This set is the Rechargeable Submersible LED Pool Lights. It comes in a set of two, one receiver and one LED light. It's going to bring you to this place where you have to download it either on the App Store or on Google Play, and you install it. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. Theme selection, you can either go with the classic or the fashion. I love the fashion, so I'm going to go with the fashion one. They click OK. So here's how the app looks like. If you want to customize the color, maybe if you want red, just choose red and it's going to stay as red. If you want blue, just choose blue and it's going to stay as blue. You can also add the music. If you want to play music while you're having a shower, you can use that. And maybe if you want to record just your voice as you're talking, as you can see, is changing in the background. So this is the best app I've ever used. LED light is rechargeable, it's waterproof. So just apply glue on this side. It says the side to apply glue. Just apply glue here. You're going to stick it to the surface where you want to stick it to. So here's the glue. Just apply it on the wall. Wait a few seconds and you're good to go. So this is how my bathroom looks like now. It has these beautiful LED lights that I can use while I'm taking my shower. You can use this in your pool. You can use it in your bathtub. Virtually anywhere where you want LED lights, you can use it. It's rechargeable. It is waterproof. And it also has an app that you can customize it. So I recommend this for everyone. Get yours now.